Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About tan2x, we change by sin2x over cos2x. So in this situation, I need to separate them in here. So we have sin2x over sin2x cos2x. And the second one in here. That is about s cos2x sin2x over cos2x. So this one simplified by this one. This one I will put cos2x go in here and s will go to here. That should be like this. Next, this one we have cos2x. The next one I will put number 2 on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula in here. Sin AX over AX, we have number 1. So that means sin2x over 2x with x approach to number 0, you got number 1. Now we have the final answer. So I will put number 0 on here. This one we change by number 1. So we calculate about this one and we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.